Glory be to the most I give thanks to life. Burn it down to the ground. For his first time you watch the channel, please do subscribe. Fighting a war. Alright, we're gonna talk tonight end. Watch a movie first. Yeah, me out back, you know. Yeah, man, me back on the road now, man. Yeah, me have a local sister in my police lady. She pulled some string for me, you know. So now I'm the back on the road. And some local informing thing good on, man. Because as you go bus, you know, it can be problem. And guess how, you know, I'm a one family. Me I tell you. Make police know say have certain pound of weed, right? And we have somebody ready to buy the weed, you know. So you know, him box the food out of mouth and put me straight to jail. You know what I mean? So, but we get released though. You know what I mean? The weed magically disappear out of the evidence place. I don't know if I burn them bunny or what them do, but and that's some good weed, you know. But me I tell you, say, yo, you know, say if you get knocked on your family and in it, you not get knocked. You understand? But everything good though, man. It's who God bless, no man curse, man. So me eyes good still. But they are still a hold it off. Alright. Yeah man, bless up man, bless up. But me there though, me there. Me page out of them there though. Alright? I'm just go and lay low. I don't want people to see me. Not to my family, they don't know say I come. I just go in my house and then I will a meditation and I read my Bible and I try to survive. And when touch night, I go do what I do, come back in. Then we'll get a surprise. But not this term. But then go and do what I do. Yeah man. But yeah man, no respect man. Yeah man, I'll rise up back man. Down but not out, you know. Alright. Burn it down. Alright. Tell about family.
Let me tell you something. If you make me, I feel left for me the door and come bail you down a station. Because your finger them and no fear. And no fear them and no fear them. You have to keep your finger to your side. Keep it to your side. Your fingers to me. I never can on thief company. I don't know if I set them set you so you can teach the people them good. And I put me in a trouble much money me go have to pay. Then, look here, guess when you go to court, make sure so you pay for the people them goat? What do you mean where you go get it from? Before you thief the people them goat, and then they wonder where you go get money from and if you're getting in trouble. Get the devil just tell up you go thief people goat and you just thief people goat. So me and your goat, remember say me did buy your goat already. You forgot? Me buy your how much goat already. And you left them a bush. Make them dead in a sunat. You no go back and look if they want to move or nothing at all. Then turn them dead. Wanna hang back. Then tie up themselves. Sun kill them. Because the sun too hot. You know business. No, you will have so much goat already go end up thief people. Come go in the house. Come.
I'm going to cook me on the pier.
You put on your big old last year in Gala come where you get money from. Go look work. Go on and tell me if you go in. Go in there so. You're too thief man. Why you do that? Why you do that? Tell me the reason why you do that. I make the police come and come and look for me in there so. No, tell me the truth. Why you do that? Why you do it? What cost you? What you want? What you need?
Mommy, I need some money. So I see if I'm going to stay.
Yeah?
See if I'm going to stay.
Your thief and go sell it? Blood of Jesus.
I want money.
So, hold on there. Why you not gonna walk nice little young girl like you, grown up? You have the age where you can get a job. Why you never go look at her? Look how much time you want until you go look at a job. Eh?
What I'm going to teach niece? You're a pretty boy at teeth goat.
Look around yourself. Me and talk to your mother. I say your style to your niece then. Me and your sister girl. And you just come in, but everybody you go make know all who no know.
But everybody know already.
Look here, you see me you can't agree, you know? Me and sister, we can't agree for a long time. We are called, look here, call me picnic thief. Goat thief. Yes, she do it. But you not feel they come dash in her face so disrespectful. You just say dash it down so. Like you don't care. You see me I call for your picnic them thief?
But what going on here, everybody with it. So to me see her you, yes, somebody just have a joke with her. I don't mean nothing. You just picky and touches. And I can't bother with you.
No. Me don't like what you just do. Me I don't know either about picky and touches. You can't disrespect my daughter so in front of me. Worst of all, your niece. I say you come down. In a real life, you would have liked to see or hear say mixing my niece and my nephew them. On the road and call them thief. Me would never style you with them as thief. You no matter what they do, me more to encourage them and tell them so when they do wrong, call them one side and talk to them in the right way. But you see true because me you can't agree. Me you cannot agree, I keep making you come and talk to your own niece. So everything good. No man, everything. You know how you chatty loud little while them and people and is clean. You don't have to call them and tell them nothing them about ear. I don't like when you just say, see you, every minute you're going over here, go auntie this, auntie that, and take out my things, them and carry go over there, go get this. Look here.
For your mother, you know me no mean nothing trouble. Your mother too dramatic. Me don't know everything she take personal. You know what trouble, you know me niece?
If you ever answer about Dominique, and your mother they take things personal, that have to be personal. I hear auntie that over there so, and here she can style you, what she let stranger to do. You hear that? And you see it, you forget it too. You forget it because them your finger your way. Them your finger. Tap, take people things. Tap it. Tap, take people things. Me say, God, you know one day give so much here in there. Now me have to go find money.
Come now, you know, go gamble. I'm ready for go gamble now. Let's pick the man. Let me just dip on the picnic box.
Which picnic?
The fireman. One, you know, I
you
you're pretty. You're pretty. Where you got somebody up on the road? Come, we're ready for
gamble now. Why you come to her in the first place, go and talk to her and say that to her from the beginning? You come and style me that as Steve.
Me not style her, my baby this. I just trouble me. Come, go gamble. You know already.
I'm going to put you on in her ear because I don't want you to drop off her.
Come on.
We accept the thief in that, but one day she will tap. I hope you're picking them not thief. You come call me boy every time too. That day you make them win me money out there so you know you come and call me back again, girl.
Come now, them over there gamble and wait for money over there on the table. So you me there wait for a long time.
You pick up where you can't manage.
Come on.
You can't gamble and I feel show you if you do and then when you win you don't give me nothing with dollar.
May I give you something this time?
One night house and make sure you don't go back on the road. I'm going to take off them the dirty clothes the way they lock you up in and then sell in. You're lucky to me come here, you should have sleep in there.
I like me that come here, she never come here. One minute.
Come here, sister, but move on your day, God, come now, you take it, tell me.
Ah, Jesus, come on. You stand me. Come on, where you go? Over here, so we are gamble.
You always they go in there, so me cannot go on and eat it.
I don't like them, that's why I like gamble. Come on, you know, money, yeah, complain.
Thank you, Jah, for another day. Yeah. Man free. They around. And then the man come fix a car, man. I don't like that garage too long, you know. So I want to pay a night time. What go on?
There, what happened?
There, you know. So I go on and see you from that time. You let me out. Me not to say thank you. You know what I mean? Because me I tell you. What go on differently? Just to see you guys them. You born weed? I give you a job out of this, you know.
I'm a good man.
You're good. You want a good man. You're not good if you're not a good man. So I go on differently.
Nothing I'm going in there, you know, say. You owe me the one.
Yeah,
That
man.
I want to talk to you about.
Yeah, so what the cost are now? What the cost are now? Where I owe you?
You are the cost.
Yeah?
Yes.
That don't sound bad. That can be arranged, man. Because I'm telling you now. From in a station, I told you. So I like how you curve, I like how you tan, I like how, you know what I mean? I tell you the lyrics them and you say you like them. But I never lyrics alone. I real talk, I tell you. You understand? So you let her out?
I let you out because I like you.
Yeah, that's good.
I never like you.
But
You know how that happens.
Yeah, but me have a woman I had, you know. And a woman is a sickhead, you know, she work a bar, you know. You understand? So you have to understand
Let me
that.
ask you something. You can look for me, officer, and think me afraid of your woman?
No, I don't think so, but you can't fight, do you know?
She can fight, and guess what me we do? Make she fight me. And then what me do? Turn on and lock her up. For all 1 week, 2 weeks. May you chill out. What you say about that?
Well, you know, I feel like her up, man. We have ways. I can tell us we have a country, you know, and make you work out that way there. So you're on the work and all though.
Yeah, man, me dey on duty, I know, but me say, you come check your car.
Yeah, man. I will tell you something there. So, oh, you know, say yes, some there.
Now worry
Your
yourself,
bug eye?
my eyes everywhere. Tell her not play with me.
Your bug eye or your love eye? Alright, anyway. The real talk, man. You don't know. I think about you want a good man if you're not in a corner too, you know. Because enough things out of the world for you now. You know what I mean? And we are fight against poverty. And if you're on the same part, you want rich? We want rich.
Time.
Alright, so we go work, man. So we can work in and work out. Yeah, man. So you can work, man.
You like you can do a thing too, you know. So
Yeah.
don't say I work, man.
Alright, so what you do? You have my number already. Come in here. Just call me. And me just, you know, make a point of my duty. We go somewhere, go chill out and talk further on. What's on the mangoes? You see him?
Yeah.
You know what the mangoes that a rake, you know? You must buy a cash up and go buy 18 and now. Mangoes! Look like a rough time, look at. A rough time when I see mangoes that eat rock stone, you know. So you know, say country gone, you know. Mama, we have to make some money. You are police and me a thief. You go work it out. Yeah? Alright, baby. You know nobody. You know nobody to take care of the body.
Are you want to take care of your body, but like you're
Yeah, me have not joke. Me have to tell you the truth. Me no want go down the road. And you see me with a woman, so and you start shoot. You understand? Me have to tell you the truth for now. So you see me with a woman, you know so I
You have my number, so use it.
Alright. I go deal with it for you, man. Talk about.
Alright.
Set your money, set your money.
Let me not go set my money.
Come on, call me for gamble. Set your money.
Set my money. Say yours, huh?
So you put on $100. How much money this is? Say now, give me a set.
Where did you get it from? You know you want to gamble, you don't have money. You never ever have money yet. Go on, I'm not have money for you. Set your own money. I was a set for you. I mean, you alone pay. Set your money because you have money.
But look how much time you come over me and come borrow my money. I say you stay about with your sister. Me I wonder if
You
you
don't
have
have
jacket. You want to jacket. You're too mean, man.
Anybody a jacket that you can
Give me $100.
black
Give me
and
a
you
look for your money and me not find
No,
it.
I not have the money for you. Come man, put up your money because you have your money.
How much I say? 2 bills or 1 bill?
Two bills I said.
Alright. Alright, that's it. I just two. I want my friend money this year.
Watch it. You have big money and I will tell me if you give $100. Give me $100.
Don't consult you for me no win. No touch it, no touch it.
It's
You
alright.
generally well you touch up people money on board for them loads. They are unsalt. Show, you first show. Ready no one.
6, my ban.
Go on. No one ban so till you catch round here so. So if you have no ban, you no one or nothing.
How much that?
You know see?
1, 2, 3,
You
4,
know see
5,
3 and
6,
4
7,
over.
8.
3 and 4 and 7 when you catch a 8.
Sorry, I missed it. I make 7.
You always a thief people, that's why I have to watch you guys. You're too thief man. A minute you do this.
That's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6 and 5.
Which part of that? You don't say a thief, you don't
6
show me
and
no
5.
6.
6 and 5.
Alright, go on, I show me what they are local.
Double 6. Oh, you're looking.
Yeah, there. A 5 that.
See that.
6 band for you again.
So your money
1, 2,
over
3,
this. So put
4,
it right
5.
there so. I want to see it. But you're not thief me today no. You're too thief man.
Are you always a thief? Watch it. Band.
You just get them the 6 day in a vein.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Even if you kill a man, you ban and come kill a back. You now win.
Me a win.
Now watch you because you're a thief.
4 that.
You're a thief, mate.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And that you plan with
Get
your
money for
friend
clap,
and
your man.
rob the game. And me and sister, before you make me rob the girl, you plan and with the girl and rob me. You see how
I like you tell them if you say you're not thief money. That's it. Me if you say you're not rob me.
thief man.
I not make up and come call me out of my bed. See there?
No, I double 4 again. You can't tell me
A
nothing.
ban again. You know you're a thief.
I double 4 that.
Come man, I might try again because I'm here with a while ago.
You're too thief, you don't like your style.
That's why I don't like play with you, you know, because you don't know if you play. 9. I want to move, make you know, watch
You
it.
never call nothing, say no lose straight if you drop a ground.
You are disqualified.
Oh, no, that no in there. Give me. You say your man did there up. I don't know if you put it. He did liquid. Alright, 6-3. You're the one criminal. That's a 6 and 3. 6 and 3 I want 9. I think you style me today. You see you're just dead. Remember me tell you that. You know they dead.
Hey!
It's alright. Catch up back time.
Yeah man, no man, yeah, come here. You want something?
Every one of them may I take up off.
6, double 6.
That's not double 6.
I
I
double
double
6.
8.
This is thief.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Double deuce, no kill
you. No,
you.
get no deuce. Are you set it down?
Sure man, double 6, we get 6 again.
Look,
1,
you lock one stop in there, you can't go in there.
5, 6, 7.
Remember, say lock one stop
8,
first before you go
9.
in. So stay there run a ground with one man like a fool. You go on like you can't play and you can't play.
It's alright, no worries.
Lock one stop first.
Come, those. Chop man.
See it, God always did it for me.
5, 6, 7,
Yeah, man.
9.
Can't catch me. Alright.
4
3 this up. And 4 yes up. 3. 1, 2, 3. And yeah, somebody there did 1, 2 if you take me up. You see that?
But that's a book, but that's a watch. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
When you pass up your yard for they go over there so you kill me the way you thief. Are you there so you go over?
Yeah.
No, hold on.
You know the house me I go, see
No,
that?
you can't go in there, lock and stop. Move 2 and put it. Which part you did there?
Me
Move
there,
2.
so.
You move 5 round there so. Anywhere you want move, you move it. But a 1 man you can't move this or 1 round this.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Big and
5.
4,
1, 2.
Give me
Yeah,
no,
I know,
put it up. You didn't start up with that. You would. Father God bless you guys.
You
But
see,
yes, you have classes in your mini dash you see.
I disqualify
This which qualify, you need to call that before the game start. That's not in there, you see it? You're a criminal.
5 that.
5. Okay, so when you draw down my man, way down when I up me for day. I want tea. Alright. You can't stop me from killing that them on the road this way, you know, put that
1,
deal.
2. 1, 2, 3.
10 take him out. Much
6 and 3.
Jesus Christ, put it back down in the corner, 9 and 10. Put it down at 6 and 3, where I go, put back your hand behind you. Pull on your hand. Alright.
No.
6 that there. 2, 4, 6,
1,
count it.
2, 3, 4, 5.
That mean you don't understand
6.
who the board. You have to count if you know say that at 6. Girl, take you up and
It's
put you over
alright, may I
there.
come back.
You're dead. You tell us you're not grown in a piece. So just
5.
get the 6
1,
in a
2, 3,
piece.
4, 5. Sure.
A 5 this or a 4. You don't say a double 2 that day. It's a criminal.
Yeah, you say you're
No, look on
change
it.
the dice
What
for me,
is?
you know.
What is?
It's alright.
Double dose mean 4, you're going to count 5. Every minute you miss count. How is 2 you go? See it there? Alright, here we go now. You come right here, so. Clear. You're not growing in a piece with no man. You're too bright.
Oh.
You're too busy, man.
Outside, man.
Barney, you have sense. Me the right back of you to kill you. Barney, don't move.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, man.
Come again, man.
Where you put for me money about a
Double 6.
My money bigger
Double
than yours.
4.
Put it on the top.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lock it right there so it can't pass. Problem only now.
No sense. Let me see it.
3 that.
Let me see it, man. See it, man. No sense.
Right.
Butter.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come off.
Alright. Let me see it. So glad you take up
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You just come around and turn that vein.
Come again. Double 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No ban, no ban.
You can't get the less t-shirt and band.
7.
Yeah, idiot. 2, 4, 6, and 1, 7.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your time now. 6, 2.
Whoa, what is? What is?
6,
You
2.
soon tell me say I'm not 6 come see you're blind. I shall burn again. Oi, your hand just sketchy. Me a play over your two.
I don't remember. I last game this not cause me I take out the money now. I win, me go win now. Cause 6 year old get. Come now. You're throw. One man throw. 6
1,
that.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That dead.
It's alright.
Over there so 4.
You still now win. I mean I win the game.
You make me see now.
Alright.
Me take up my money, you know.
Oh, you take up your money?
So you smell my money so far like you want
1,
to.
2,
Yeah, idiot.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that right? You are going to lose the one to your money. And that your teeth, all over them teeth, is they go on with. 8 that.
3 and 3, 6 and 2, 8.
6 doesn't now win me, I win now.
You can some play a dirty thief in
2, 3,
6.
4, 5, 6.
How you turn over the dice make that company? And I give a 5S, you know? 5S, and that the 6 you get, and I don't know, like 6.
Me I go take the money now, me I go win now.
I lie you tell.
You know make more money like that, you know?
Double 3.
Oh, double 3 that you get.
See there. Yo, me done. Me not play nothing with you. Give me my money.
You know you're a thief, all the while
And me a play too long with you.
away.
Me a play too long with you.
Look how long
Look how much money you put
But
on.
me a win.
$200 you put on and me put on me $1,000. Me done play.
But
Yo,
me have $900
$100 you forget. $100 you forget.
I
Take
used to
that.
get $100
Take
in
that.
the
You're an idiot.
You know you're a thief.
Yo, take $100. Go about your business. You're a criminal. Take 100.
Yeah, man, that you figure the thief.
Oh. Girl.
Give me my money, man.
And you can live in a maid?
Get your blind and see.
Where you taking something and live in a maid so far?
Can you take my money, you thief? You know, like pay fair. Every time that you do me, a thief my money. Me gone over here. Can you see you? Me you do a thief me. Me a gone me yard.
You're too bright. Marathi. Sis. Sis. Your $100 out of $200 where you did have. Eh? You come and come style me. You're bright, eh? Well, you not get the other $100 neither. Want to lose that. Having a few money, you're too bright. You think a little time you come over me and come beg up this thing. Take your back. That's fair to you. You want to say your heart a beat, you're not dead, you're lucky. Wait.
Wait a moment.
Yeah, do. Not need to like she fame. Me and her did a play game right this one, me just say she drop down. Like she did that say she want some water to drink.
So you have her on the ground?
I know me put her on the ground and she go down there by herself. When people are faint and people put them on the ground and she just faint and drop down. I'm glad you come to help me take her up. But me can't manage her.
Come on. What happened?
Me right now me hungry and me can't help and lift up nobody right now. I feel your auntie. No, your auntie. Help and take him up. Help and take her up because she
Oh gosh, she alright. Oh baby, don't have salt.
me go over me here.
My niece. My niece over there. Over there, so my niece. My niece made that hurt me.
Okay, bye,
Where you go down hospital? Yeah man, they have sitting down there 50 people who are faint. Me have nothing else for 50 people who are faint. They carry down there. Me will come down there. Oh, go on, then maybe give her something to faint. Yeah, go on, put her on taxi, she not no fear. We come down there, me I go do something, me alright man. Go on, you can put her in a taxi, give her fear too. Damn lucky. Damn bright now about your phone in my head and they walk out. You bright and style me girl about me and your sister. And then I come style me, your TV game and when look here, go on me and go here. Right, every time you do that, one like you can come lick people like I say on them and say, no bigger than you. Look, you should have shut your box. Right. Now I don't know no hospital, no one time down there.
Maybe he's something that hurt me now.
Get on. Yeah. Doctor say get 2 medication. Take after each meal, 2 per day. You take it if you lay down and sleep and drink plenty of water. Alright?
Yes, thank you very much.
Come to me, thank you right here.
Jesus, see we can take them painkiller, you can make it hurt me. And then we go call the police, cause that girl, the thing she get to it out harder. Alright, medical report, cause call the police. Hello? Nigger police station. Yes, officer, called to report a crime. You know, say my sister knocked me out over gambling money. All the while I saw she called me to gamble and then she thief my money when me talk. She use one big stick. I don't even know what she use and lick me in my head. And next thing me know, me wake up my head at her, my niece, me say I cry, me got a doctor. Right on Nampel Road there, so 28 officer. You know, don't let me there, this so me I call you from my head that hurt me, you know. What you mean you don't drive? Look here, officer, me live me just gave my address. Yeah, me son on the veranda. Me away pound now. Yes, 15 minutes is okay. Okay, thanks. Oh God, every people call them they not drive. Can I slack police them, man?
What, mama? What, go on. Come here there. Emergency. 911. As I go.
Rasta, me not
Yo.
time to waste, man.
You know? You see, if I was a criminal, I would make you lock me up. For real, man. Like, yo, I forget I said I'm in some trouble to come on a station. More time come see you. I couldn't get your number. I can call you. 119? I like you still. You look
Rasta,
good.
man, what you say?
I like,
on
me
an
like
urgent
the
call.
eye, like the Empress. May I have to talk, man?
Alright, let's see a word, yeah.
I go buy a juice here.
Alright.
Yeah? I want a ticket for you.
Hello? Hello?
Officer, about 3 hours singers are with my yo. Too much of asleep.
I don't have a vehicle. I from the station, me I run from, you know. I had to run from the station. I just reached. What you say happened to you now? Hold on, cause I never have my cook for me, you know, so I have to go record you. So I can have. Hold on.
Why? I don't know what kind of police work on do, you know. On a real joker. When you find where you want to record, you wake me up.
Miss, come, I find it. Let's go. What you say happened now?
My sister called me out of my house, come gamble with her. And through me win the money, she knocked me out. And thief got the money from me. Her daughter, my little niece, have gone cry got doctor. See that report here? See medication in me, and then me just take and drop a 6. And that's where I come from. So me don't like a black car.
Alright, so you're saying that you and your sister gamble
She called me out of my house to go and gamble.
and she knocked you out because you won?
Yes, and thief got the money from me.
This doesn't sound right. Alright, so what is the name of your sister?
So what you mean this not so right? You give me back
No,
all the
I am
doctor's report.
asking you what is the name of your sister?
Okay, now she lick me in my thought either me not remember what she name. But
So
we know
who am I going to arrest? Where does she live?
she live right over here, so in the same yard she live. A family all live in I know. She
Okay.
live over one side
And
there.
you don't remember your sister name?
No.
But you remember where she live?
Yeah.
They just come out from hospital so I'm saying nothing to me. I want your auntie. Where that person?
Maybe alright, man. Just that she have a phone.
She alright?
Yeah, mommy, she alright. Me did try eating and she put it on, you know. Drop her feet now. She good, man. She get medication and so.
Oh. I want you to tell us I'm to her.
She tell me tell the car some knock her out.
And then she tell her?
Yeah.
So she don't remember last time.
Me look so can she tell me.
Yeah.
So you do the truth.
Me talk to you about that one next time. Me kind of busy and me both on the road. Go check somebody. Me about this up and come back. Yeah? Yeah. Make sure you tidy up the place, you know.
Ready, man.
Alright. I'm left out here.
Me in the urban I'm just at the pill.
Alright,
Remember
describe
she
your
name.
sister. Describe your sister.
One tall woman and she have one whole heap of head top here so. And she brown. If probably
So
they
she
go to the road
brown
right now, you
and
see her.
tall.
Yeah, she brown and
And have something
tall.
up on the
I have
head
one
top.
whole heap of ear up here so. Like, they don't know they little sitting there with them go so they head top. Me don't even remember me tell one hot lip.
What
She give me
color
no-
clothes she
Me
was
couldn't tell you
in?
know.
What color clothes
Me
she
don't
was
even
in?
know.
Make sure you tidy up the place, here. I'm left out here, you know.
Yeah, man.
Oh.
Officer CRD and she is his father and she really are.
Freeze! You're under arrest. Don't carry on. Hands behind you. Good evening, ma'am. So are you knock out the lady? Allow me talking to you, you know.
And I'm not caught nobody.
You don't call nobody.
Hi, what happened here, so? Yeah, Uncle Father.
Are your mother this? Goat thief, are your mother this? Say, well, I'm not a criminal. So you have a goat thief and you have a attempted
Ask
murderer.
that question, why you
Okay.
handcuff my mother?
She knock out your auntie. You know here. How bad is this? Sometimes I can't bother with
You
this.
put the handcuff.
Alright, so you're under the arrest of an attempted murder. Anything you say or do, Jesus. Anything you say or do can be used against you in the court of law. If I study Miranda go, but at least I read your Miranda rights.
You squeeze me and then officer.
Mom,
Take out that dog from my mother.
hello, she come bail her the last time, you come bail her now. Let's go.
Officer, I will teach you about law. How me fi go bail her and then she come bail me. Then I'm gonna make she bail me.
Well, I don't know who go bail her, but you go have one
You have to
phone
go give me
call.
myself bail.
Well, when we reach at the station,
You can't prove this and me do nobody nothing. I lie shit.
yeah, come.
So what
Because I
I
ask you and make sure make you alright. You call police for my mother?
Yes, me, I feel like her. She wicked. All the while she doing something to me and thief me money. So show your mother me not feel like her.
Your sister.
Yeah, but she wicked to me.
She
So
won't do that to
she
you.
don't like me as a sister. She nearly kill me. Look here, my niece, I appreciate say, come got that now. You say kill your mother nearly kill me and
Me
then
never
she
see.
never do nothing.
You tell me say my mother knock you out. Me ask my mother says she never do it. So
Your mother is a wicked woman. You see, she a long time she don't like me because mommy black, daddy black, and the people always say she a jacket. And that's why she don't like me. You see, your mother, she's a wicked woman. You can't go and go bail her now.
my mother.
Yeah, go and go
Now get
bail
her up
her.
there.
Yeah, go and get her. Oh, but just say, mother, she's a wicked woman. And you know, make her left for yourself. Because I'm not stay with her now. Because I'm not going to make she kill me, you know. Alright. So you're on take your time, go and go bail
Your
her.
time soon come here.
Yeah.
So mommy, how was in a prison? You going in a lecture?
Which prison?
In a prison. You going in a lecture?
Which prison? I'm not going to prison.
In jail then.
Cell.
In a
Not
cell.
jail.
Mm-hmm.
One night, what?
You going
Which
in a
girl?
trouble,
No girl can't ramp with me in a no cell. You mad? I never in a number 2 cell, you know. You know number
But
6
even my
cell.
sister.
Don't touch my mother.
Mm-mm.
Hey, come out here. Wicked.
What's wrong with you? Stop it.
What's wrong with oh?
We are
You
family.
call police for my mother don't do anything.
My sister nearly killed me when I look past it. Forget about that.
Come
Nobody,
on.
I touch you this question.
Yeah, the me and my sister when I work together, we are talking about. Hello, Miss, go on inside. Me and my sister talk. I
Oh,
think people
hello,
section is
hello.
go on inside.
Number that start.
Come with me so we have something to talk
After
about.
you make me sleep in a cell,
Remember
girl.
me full me.
I
Go
don't
on
want to talk
go on
about me and
inside,
sister.
little girl. Go on inside, man. If you want a chance, babe. Come, my sister, come sit at me and talk. But that with that, if you overlook certain things, look how you nearly kill me. I'm not saying, come, man. I'm tapping the phone in me. Miss Sarah, I shouldn't be ignorant. You don't have to be ignorant. That's why I end up calling the police. Because you nearly kill me, you know. I'm going to pay to thief my money too. See if we give and take. Because I could have dead too. Anyway, I bring one your favorite mango
You
for
could have dead too.
Yeah, can we be a lick my head, you know?
Yeah, but you're not bad at dead.
Alright, I'm not bad at that. Alright, I bring one nice mango. So I bring your favorite mango, yeah? Come, man, I have to be fooling each other. I don't like with you, you know. Me and your sister.
So I'm friend if you do a mango.
Oh, and let me know your mango.
Say my favorite mango.
Yeah. I told me picking on me eat mine when I say elephant for my sister. No, me, you wanna run up and down and a baby me we eat?
Me tell you I'm hungry. I just told me now how you feel now. Me tell you I'm hungry.
That be foolish, man. I eat a mango. I like how you go on sometime, you know.
You know what I go through last night, you would say, because you in yourself. You know what I go through, you make me sleep in myself.
That be foolish, man. You know, I go through the
If you
very
didn't love me
last
so
time.
much like said me and real sister from said man said pa, why you make the police tell lock me up?
Then why you here kill me? Talk it true now. Give and take. Come on, eat the mango. Relax yourself when I eat the mango. You're miserable too much. So why eat the mango me and go over? Can I take off some clothes?
Burn it down. You can't tell who a mother from daughter with them bigger now.
Mona!
Where mango? Where mango from? What do you?
No. I auntie give me a mango feed. And she had friend me up saying her and sister and she got both what happened and so. So I just take it because I don't want she feel no way.
Look. Mommy? Auntie! I want mom. Mommy, come to her. This is good. This is how I feel. What you put in that mango? She's one of them. Yeah, eat them for picnic. We put on that mango. Sister, are you sure she eat last night? Your mama that eat last night. You don't know that I know she did that cup. She eat. Oh, you know so she eat. She that eat. You get there and then I'm going to call the doctor. Mrs. What you put in the mango? Picnic. Not me, not me. The sister. No do her, man. She not there. No do her. She just tired. I see if she asleep. Me I go over because me have something to go do. Come for them, carry the doctor. No, she don't need to go to the doctor. No do her. Me tell her she asleep. She asleep. I tell you one tired. Ciao. Look here now. What you have to do, I make she comfortable, make she lie down. Me so what else me I go do? Look here, me have something in the house for do. Me I go inside, help your mother, your mother girl. Nothing wrong with that tired lady tell her sleep, she asleep. Jesus. Wait.
I need to retire for this force. So, officer, I'm not murder nobody, me say. Listen, after me feel sorry for you. For your sister knock you out. And you take up law in your hand and go unalive your sister?
Yes, because not about mediation. So she near kill me and forget how it is about me. You're lucky. And me, and you didn't approve of me killer. Me not doing nothing. You got for me, officer. I lie them take upon me. Murder help!
You got jail. And I hope the judge
sentence
you to life imprisonment. Shut up! So why you running?
No, because
if it's not you, why you running?
Because you're friend me, officer. And one woman did run me down last night, so me think that she again from me back.
Let's go. Let's go.
Jesus, officer, me not do no.
Can we get back to Jamaica? The real Jamaica rock. Jamming and jamming and jamming. Bring back the Jamaica love.
Girl, they are going easy. But you know, yes or no? Yes, girl.
What happened?
Me get one new man.
Oh, okay.
And you don't know him, so.
I don't know him.
So we are going to far.
Oh, me are going.
So me can't bother with your brother. Anyways, where the
pan? I'm happy for you. Like say me don't happy for you. I'm happy for you.
I think I say. So where the pan now?
Not the pan now, brother. I'm just in the brother. I'm there. Coach back.
Oh, they are going easy. Where can I say we can't go? So we go and keep back down.
Come on. you want to buy that?
No, we can walk
Because you love bar, you know. I mean, I got no bar tonight. Me not drinking vibes tonight.
No.
Me want a man in my life. Yes.
So a man make you a man make you go on so?
Oh, me they go on.
You know see the galan? Sorry for you.
Yeah, babe, like fear you love a man in a life.
Mama, me never said that.
Oh wow, me not look good too. Eh, I look good.
No, me look better than you. That I point so no man not go want you.
That's not true. Well,
You
me want a man in my life. You want a man in my life.
We go get that man from
What you say? One day must come.
From the truth.
One day must come. Cause nothing wrong with.
Hi. Hello.
Hi.
Ladies. Oh, God.
Yeah.
So in the van, and they are going to chill.
Yeah, we just go and talk.
But good news. Fix your face better, man. Yeah, but anyways, let me ask you more. From what they can't see,
You know, say me never there do.
I see the one time then I look shot something like that. I say, boy, I look. Me and the slimmer just look nice. You see me, I say I give her one top, but by the time I go to bombs, I kind of get caught up. I have to go some this one, you know.
Yeah.
But anyways, I go still.
Yeah,
I good senior year still. Anyways, I good look.
Yeah, so where the pan?
You know, I say I'm good still. After I come from family top of.
Hello, Saturday. I'm TI.
Yeah.
I'm TI.
Oh, I kind of sick with madam.
Oh, I never seen a glass yet, so I was just wondering. Any of she come out?
Remember saying you don't look good. You remember saying you don't look good, so no man
Who tell you
never
that?
want you.
Who tell you that? Who tell you
You say
that?
not go get a man.
Don't look at me too. Here comes your she.
Mama, listen to me.
You don't look good. Don't come on me.
Okay, and dear thing.
Relax, man.
Dear thing. Them on already.
So anyways, let me assist you. I will find friends here.
Just write down this and turn the can and go.
So that means you can come and get a plate and I can.
Yeah.
So I'm about to put a man in a bird. You can look on the upstairs. You know, because you don't kind of want to look up on the stairs. You know. I just put a man in a bird and we can check it over.
Here. Let's see if you really.
So anyway, still, you know, I go on the same.
What do you?
I'm going to call up on the back on the phone and tell me what to say.
Yeah.
Face different, look over there. You know.
I got my video.
Hello. That's how we pan killer. Girl, come here, we pan you.
What happened?
You don't know say CC. You know CC though?
No, they go to the beach.
Yes, so one piece of argument over all who don't see why.
I said to me tell about her and I say me don't like that girl. Cause you no man no want her.
But that girl come like a ring man. Me tell her upon her face in front of her back or something. Tell her say man don't want her. So the man I look upon
Some of
her.
us angry, you know. You have man?
No, it's like him like the boy, but the boy like me. The boy interested in me. So she vexed.
She was spitting her face with the shadow.
Girl, I lick me the top of her face.
The man don't want her. What she do with the man?
That me want to know too well.
It's like girl, I them the girl, them in a park, and them the girl, they are bad man girl. Two man don't want them, they want go on like that.
Anyways, me know
What's
say
that?
the girl over there so.
What's the me touch her?
Cause what about her?
Come on, come here, bad girl, ready long time. Hurry up, walk up.
See girl there. Yes.
What's the name? What problem?
Yes, see.
Say what one? Yes, see.
So what now?
What you see that now?
So you mean you want one so? You mean by? You don't want one.
Talk.
You never did that real upon that free attitude around you.
Flare up now.
What?
Flare up now. Let me flare down with some water.
Me not gonna argue with you know
You
why?
never want to argue, mama.
Come now, do something. Do
What
something.
Why can't I come here?
Do something.
You beat me?
Yes, you didn't
Do
know.
something. Do something.
What's your mama laugh?
I'm gonna have guys funny.
What funny?
So come man.
Where we go? I just say me turn up.
Go and come back.
One, go ahead, come here, my friend.
What do you?
You're a bad girl, me not run. Yes, me a stand up.
Me no bad friend, no girl. Go
Yes,
on.
me a stand up. Go on.
Big C. I want to see.
It's a girl here.
I want to her.
What do her?
She don't have no back friend, no girl. What's up, brother? We're planning still. What is CC really there? Hello, what going here, so? I see CC with your plan.
I bust me bust up a girl left face before me
Hello,
left right.
tonight.
Just turn up over there, so I say, Mama, mad. Me don't know where she gone. Me know she gone there. What wrong with you now?
I bust me, bust up her face.
What's up our face?
Come and back from her. Because she want to beat me friend and the gang and beat my friend.
Right.
Oh, me I bust up her face. So when she go to work, anyway she go tonight, and she go there with a swell up eye.
Right.
Hello, listen here. You know say, me ever they try to put the whole island together and try to see how best me can make a resolve on the issue.
CC too for me. Nothing go together. CC, you know CC start with C. She too open. Yeah. Open so. She just open big and wide. And one was see a bad girl. Like the C. Big portion. Girl when she want to beat me.
She even do a send me no back friend or girl come here.
Mother maybe when me and her combine, I saw we look like a dude.
Yeah, you know see.
And we back Brad. Check it out. And she we have your pan.
Oh no, no, for CC beat to them.
CC can't beat nobody. I help CC can call him out. Me know I help CC can
Wait until he
call.
come back. Watch and
She
see.
should have big over with the right and so.
When you come clean.
Oh no, no need fear fight.
Oh.
That's how me a try to tell you. Oh no, need fear fight.
Okay.
A serious time we living in now.
Just this if you not come back. And no CC come back so me a dust her.
Dust him. Dust.
She me a
Me a angler. Watch. So she not can come in. Me not understand.
I feel like nobody you know. You're a bad girl.
Here one. We just been a work. We supposed to start.
No, we're not ready for work. It's time
We have
early.
2 hours to reach our
Time
work.
early.
2 hours we have to reach our work.
Yes, I need those.
So we don't need to fight before we go?
Yes. You have to go up your face tonight.
You know, say, two girls that walk up and down to gang me. They beat up a man.
Hold on. That carry their midnight. Where you just say?
Two of the Kumaga girls walk up and down to beat me. Because one day we just see the poor player. They walk up and down to beat me. Now one of them come to me. What they say?
You know the girl then?
We know one of them come here, one of them close. Then two of them friends, but one of them close.
So where you hand them out?
I tell her the one of them like close. Alright then. She want
I hear what you're saying about that, you know. I want to know where you and them have cause why they want to worry.
Alright then, one point she must say me like the boy. Me tell her say me like she I talk about oh me no look good, that's why the boy not like me only for something and I feel and I go on and I talk about oh
So a man them a worry for?
yes man.
And what kind of girl them?
Man them want to find me and my friend.
Where girl them then?
Me left them in our party and so on.
Come show me where them. Where girl them then?
She a one over the man.
I want to style as girl.
No more she and you. I could have really you. I said, hello, come back up on me and act like you're bad. What you do?
What's your...
Hello.
Yeah.
I'm not bad with the
I
argument.
put on me.
No, what, you miss nothing we're going on there, so. Where am I friend now?
If man no want to get in that run my man.
So you know and stay. The man don't want my friend. Oh, you know that? The man tell you that?
Yes, message video.
Yo, me no want to talking from you. Yo, me no want to talking from you.
Man, what you do? Hello, I must fuck you.
You're mad. You can't do nothing.
Listen.
No,
You no bad girl. You no bad girl.
Me
You no bad girl.
Stop it.
Flyer, jump.
Wait, hold on. Alright, we must back you, girl. We must back you. Don't worry yourself. Laugh. Who last laugh all you say?
Listen what I said, man.
How you are?
Call the girl. Hello, Cece.
Yo mama what happened?
You know some there do what go which fire there?
You know say me dey on the black door.
Oh. You know, so I go want you meet me somewhere though me have something to show you.
Which part me fi meet you?
Me actually there by golf course and Negril. Like, can come meet me like right now.
Alright then, me will finish up with me I do a forward.
Alright. Up at the wall 15.
Alright then, me a forward.
Alright. Why am I tell her? Hello, Riri.
Oi.
What's up?
Me there, go on.
You know, so me there over golf course do and me that one day if I could have come meet me over here. Can me have something to show you?
Alright, me a forward, come there nearby.
Alright, me there right at wall 15.
Alright, yeah.
Alright, hurry up you know.
Yeah.
Alright. Hello, bossy. Yeah, you know, so me have a plan put together for the girls them way. Them not agree none at all. Like, no matter what I try, it's like things not go right, but I dey execute a plan right as we speak. And I feel like it's all work, you know. Yeah, man. Just trust the process, man. Don't worry yourself. Alright.
Hello, what happened? You know, say T did call me and say she did want to talk to me about something. So me overcross her still. So when me get back and don't talk to T, me call link you. Yeah. Alright.
What are you calling me for? I can't be the long hour till no man can wait with me for go there now. What am I here she have? Bad for the people. I don't know, I don't want you to call me about it.
I'll make your face look so.
Hey man, what happened?
Me there. Me not like how your face look. What do you?
I want the girl, man. Me and I did catch up with yesterday.
Now tell me say to her no at it again.
Yeah.
So which way you gonna? Thank you for come meet me. Right? Me have one surprise for you. You see surprise I me have for you? Me don't want you to get upset. Me I beg you please.
What kind of surprise is that?
You will see surprise. Don't worry yourself. Just go and wait.
Cut. Stop. Action.
Yes.
What's your idea, sir?
No, just listen to me. Hear me out.
I don't like this.
Come here.
Man, you put that too near me there.
Listen, no man, nobody with the attitude and it. Una feel it.
Man,
Listen, man, say, una feel live good. Hear me? I tell you now.
I live good with her.
What really the problem we have against someone?
Ask it.
Oh, what is
It's
that?
a problem.
What is that he, she, yeah?
What really problem? No, with you. Start with you first.
You
What really
start
the
with
problem
she,
we
yeah.
have with her?
Listen to me. Me nah know against her. She, no. A she. I try to.
What me have against them? Tell her me have
Yes,
against you. Chat too much.
Cause my mouth.
You love blah blah.
And you
too
can't
much.
tap me from chat. I
But
never
I
come here
think-
so in an argument with you. What you say?
Here, one by one. What kind of problem you have with
Just tell her
she?
she love blah blah.
Cover my mouth.
So she love chat.
Yeah,
And when
she
she
chat
love
too
do.
much.
She love chat too.
No,
Say two
mama.
love chat.
No, mama, you want love talk.
Cover
Sir?
my mouth. I mean,
You're
I
not
stop chat.
Hello.
Me not
Your
stop
mom,
chat.
boss,
Hello.
You know, we
Sir,
can't make us
really?
suffer. If you talk to something like that, when me did.
Hey, yeah, summer, what is a he, she, yeah? Mama, what do you so?
You know what you
You
kill
just you say more boss. You're
And
more
my mouth, you
Your
can't
mouth
stop me
boss.
from chat.
Alright, done now. Done. Finish. Me calling up here for men things. Me not calling up here for no go against no one another. You understand what I say?
If she could have keep her mouth, this you would reach here, so.
Me I try men things and you just a stir up things more. What wrong with you?
So like
You doesn't feel like you are the problem?
She had the big problem because she torment.
Mama, you're the biggest problem. You're more boss.
You don't stress me out.
That I think. Anyways, see, let me tell you the big reason. Since she don't want to talk, and me love the fast, you know. Because when me ready for the fast and I'm not nice. So let me tell you. True, she, one man where she, let me say no, let me say this. It's like one boy like me. She vexed because the boy don't like she. So now, friend, so she carry feelings. So she carry feelings about the boy. Talk the truth, mama.
They're not true?
Nothing no go so.
That chum.
Nothing no go
girl,
so.
Happy.
Because first of all,
Mm.
the man never want you. And you are not for press step to the
So yeah,
man.
how the man?
Me not long talk with them, mama.
Mama, so all you just send text message and beg the man for there with you. Eh?
I'm really killing you for this.
No, mama. Lick me. No, mama. Lick me now. Lick me now. Lick me now. Lick me. Mama,
I'm
lick me now.
really
Lick me now. Lick me now. Lick me. Lick me. What do you?
Hello. Uno not do that also. Not do that also.
She not like talk the truth.
Listen now.
When I talk the truth, everything will squash. Talk the truth.
So they shoot me attack while ago.
No, you're not talking
And
the
if you are
truth, mama.
interested in the man.
Mama, you there on the boy phone. You don't start the boy. Why you just talking? The boy don't want you,
What you
mama.
talking
He
about?
don't want you. You don't see. You're blind? Yeah.
Can't tell girl here, come down and lick him down.
We are gonna lick them, mama. We are gonna lick them.
So basically,
We are gonna do that.
so listen now.
I don't know what it is, a girl.
But you can't find some.
Mama.
Let go of me. Please let go of me. Let go of me. Let go of me. Watch me, I'm a muscle here. You see, are you cause that, you know?
What me call?
If I never want me, I lick down a girl, you know, man.
Listen, me never call you no up your feet excited.
You know some man girl no talk. You here?
What wrong with you now?
You say make a girl lick me?
Me not make nobody lick you. Listen what me I say. Me call you no up here for men things. And instead of no men things, only make things only worse. Watch it now. Father God, me don't know what me do with you now.
You know say now go say do.
What you mean by now? Go say, done
The
it.
girl lick me, if you do take it.
Listen,
And
what
make it.
be a bit bigger person now. Be a bigger person. You
Yeah.
understand? Two wrong no make right. That's what you know.
You not talk when I want to hear, brother. She lick me and she run down.
Ah,
I didn't even get a chance to lick him back.
What you want me to say?
Some for beat the girl when I see him next time. That I want to hear.
Oh, so you want beat her then I go to jail? That's what you want?
No, me not going to
Alright,
jail.
do it.
Me not going to jail.
Don't like the girl, see? Lick me the man, the coffee in face. Lucky girl, lucky. Right now, I will call Kayla. Yo, Kayla, where they? You know, I said the one CC just me that mash up my face a while ago, girl. I where they? Me I come check you right now. I say one piece of commotion go out with me and the girl a while ago. Alright, me I forward on your yard right now. Yeah.
Guys, me one girl like this, you know. Same time my friend call me have to back her saying, Riri, call me. Me have to go them go the big bad and boss. So me go back Riri, you know, guys. When I go up on the spot, I book a girl, the girl look coward, so I'm confident, you know, although I'm not too bad, you know. When I look, I see the girl that come with her big back. I don't know how she want, you know, guys. So I see her come, guys. Me afraid, me could have peep up myself. When I look, Riri, they hide back at me. How Riri, they hide back at me, a coward. I see Riri go stand chucky girl. Me run left Riri, because I not take no beat up for she, you know. I'm a bull cow that, you know, I not take no beat up. I'm sorry to Riri.
So still all I go on and Riri me a feature. You understand? Because you know me think me have a chance with Riri, you know, so me just there go and feature Riri, you understand? But when I check it out, me realize that the friend of future me see him, you know, but I don't know how serious she be, you understand? So I just work with Riri because she give me the vibes, you understand? So as she me a go for me, you know? Bob said that.
Guys, after me feel thirsty and go in at the supermarket, go buy one vitamin C water and come out back and catch up my little stomach. That I love walk and take people man come attack me and tell me say some girl see her on the road and they say the man who she there with. The man no want her or them the man want.
People, you can't vex with me because man want me, you know. You can't vex with me because the man don't want her. And that me I try to tell her. But you see what happened today? Why? When he go call his sister, me don't know whosoever, the Zena she guys. When he go call the Zena she, and Zena come up in big mom, I say, Lord God, me have to go back a kill, go hide. I said, Jesus. But still, me not afraid of her because I know me back the broad. And the man not love me alone. Yeah, guys.
Guys, I'm not advice, but hope you hear me. You think that me have to go for Vina? Me never have to go for Vina cause what? Me can defend myself. But me make them think that me afraid of them. But me not afraid of them. All of the girl that say she near Riri. Me and I are friend and she knows some more the boy a long time and the girl. Me even know right now me even know if there's a friendship I go continue. Me even know if friendship I go continue because she broke the friend code. Broke the friend code.
I don't know what really I go on, you know, between the set of girl here, you know. But I go get down to the bottom of this because guess what? A girl power me say, you know. And it come like them not understand.
From what day, we not really post as often as usual. Yeah, because this I go through an internal fight. You know what I mean? Them thief when I camera them. When I have where, you know, because we are trying to move to the next level. But every time I move to the next level, it's a tear down thing. You know what I mean? So when I camera them we and shoot, I don't know who take it. And nobody now own up to it, but it does. Gone. They don't want a trace. And you know, so I'm not a stranger do it. So it kind of make me ease back and said so. And I wonder what really are going. You know what I mean? If you try betterment and the same people, I try to see a demise. You know what I mean? So in this time you have to be wise. So that's just one sad moment. Enough for the sadness now. We are putting the work still. Because the more fight you get, the stronger you get. You know what I mean? So that's just that. So hope everybody, the kids them get them school stuff, go back to school already because you know it's either right on the corner. And hope the kids them can learn because it's needed. And in this country, I've been trying to advocate for movie to develop in Jamaica, and I don't know if some people know, and some people bash me in a one sense, this and that and rare. But I'm trying to say to them, only one thing we have left here in Jamaica is our talent. And if our talent is not being nurtured, the talent not gonna make no sense because you can't go monetize if you don't get the strength when you need to really put it to part you need for that. So that's that me a fighter from that time. Go on you, then when you them say they want to movie star, I want it's possible here in Jamaica, not just to do drama in school, and when you do drama in school, your whole school, you cannot get a work in the fields of drama. It make no sense. We should have play a circle the whole island, likewise movie I circle the whole island. You know what I mean? So you have well of talent. Because Jamaica full of talent and it could be a revenue. But there's no structure, nothing put in place for the youths them of Jamaica to push forward in movie business. Because you know Jamaica produce one big movie every 12 year, every 13 year. I can't tell you that's one good movie do a Jamaica like big movie. You know what I mean? So I want to listen to me, you know. Like we are fight for now. Right? So that's just a fight. Because you know we have a lot of call center in Jamaica. But if you listen to certain news and know some of them work there, now go exit after a while, maybe. If the people them say right there, when I outsource no more calling service work in Jamaica, a lot of people have to go home, right? So what if you do have the entertainment part, the movie structure good, and the set away part, it can accommodate even 20,000 people or more, because entertainment is big, you know what I mean? But it have to have a platform, it have to have somewhere to go, you know what I mean? Give thanks to TikTok, because TikTok I make enough youth earn a living, you know what I mean? Though you have to depend and say certain things, most of the time get the forward you want, so you make everybody start become that type of person. Yo, you're this and you're that and you're this and you're that. So, and so then get in spotlight and rare. But I'm not doing that. I don't want to tell my brother them about them this and about them that to survive. So we choose movie and we are do it. But it's a struggle in Jamaica to do it. And when you have your equipment, them and people are thief them, that's our next struggle again. Yeah, you understand? It's a crab in a barrel lifestyle, that. And it's a sad story pertaining to that. But it's life itself, man. You know what I mean? The strongest soldier get the hardest fight. So I guess I'm strong. So that's that though. But more want to know say still, regardless of what, we always go do it. We go fight to do it. You know what I mean? And I always go advocate for better movie production in Jamaica. So one of the things when I try for do now, I put aside the money to buy one big camera. And not only that, I buy one big safe. You know what I mean? That means say whenever I'm done with my camera, then I put in another safe and lock it up. Because the safe, the camera was in the studio, you know, and somebody thief it. You know what I mean? So that's one of them things there. I don't know nobody from what I do with it. You know what I mean? So anyway, when if them thief is sell it, or them thief can do channel, I don't know what them thief can do with it. But one of them things there. But we shall survive. Yeah man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. Today is the end of the month, new month start tomorrow. You know what I mean? It's the best I can do in a life, man. We not do the worst. Alright? Nice. Give thanks to all of the support of them for a long time. Big up to all of the people them from Empress G to Tats Franco. The whole of the first foundation and the new members them were support, and you know, big up to my friend. We send some things were there, you know. Everybody get what they forget, you know what I mean? Big up yourself, we not call no name, you know what I mean? Big up yourself, auntie. We call her auntie. Yeah. So big up yourself, auntie, you know what I mean? Well appreciated. Everybody get what they forget, you know what I mean? From everyone at the camp, them who you put their name on it, get what they forget. So everything good. Big up yourself. Enough respect, well appreciated. Yeah. It's a long story. But to clear barrel in Jamaica is very expensive. Almost 40,000 to clear 2 barrels. Anyway, we're not a quarrel. So that. You know what I mean? So as we move on, the camera I'm on now is a Black Magic camera. You know what I mean? Because I think I time now for upgrade. You know what I mean? So then T1 camera, I try to replace it with a better camera. So when people try to hold it down, they try take the higher ground. You know what I mean? So that's how I try to get it now. Because I want to start shoot on a more higher quality, and I have some I'm a foundation people them where I go introduce back to movie world, and we want to shoot better movie. We're not going to shoot as much as like 100 movie. We just want to do a bigger budget movie where you see, say, have more value to it. You know what I mean? So we have well, if I look at things like pipeline, we are trying to do a big movie to go theater by December. You know what I mean? So follow up on the journey there. We go have like behind the scene and them things that you can get. Kind of come on YouTube, you know what I mean? Because the language and everything will go in it. You go to real, you not go censored. It go just be real Jamaica. So who know Jamaica when you take down, you know what I mean? You go know say the language to my time, and everybody can manage it. You know what I mean? So you go have, in that this movie we're interested, we have a little party in the door. So a Christian part can see one little part night and see film section that then you have a Whirlian.